Welcome to the demo of the Update 24B. Define a minimum transfer quantity when modeling overlapping operations or work orders in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. With this enhancement, you now can specify a minimum transfer quantity in a manufacturing work definition and support modeling overlapping operations or work orders. Shop floor execution need not wait for the entire work order quantity to be completed at an operation. You can now transfer a minimum quantity between operations, thereby reducing the manufacturing process. Hence, it's possible to accurately model shop floor operations and effectively schedule work orders. Also, increase the operational efficiency and maximize the overall equipment effectiveness. In this demo scenario, you can see the following. Specifying the value for minimum transfer quantity when creating the work definition. Then, generate work definition report and view minimum transfer quantity. Let's now create a work definition. You can specify the work definition information along with the minimum transfer quantity. The value of the minimum transfer quantity must be a positive number, and minimum transfer quantity is used to schedule work orders in production scheduling. Once a work definition is created, you can search and select the work definition. Also, you can use the Print Work Definition Report action to generate a report for the work definition. You can see minimum transfer quantity in the work definition report as one of the header level attributes. Also, you can check the demo in production scheduling in Oracle Fusion Cloud Supply Planning. It covers about how the minimum transfer quantity from an item's work definitions will be considered in the schedule. This is the end of the feature demo. Thank you.